Starting from rest, a body travels for 30 seconds with constant acceleration. It covers the distance s1 during the first 10 seconds and distance s2 during the next 20 seconds. The value of s2 will be equal to... we did a similar question a couple of questions back, so let's try to understand this also. So we have a body starting from A, moving till C through the intermediate position B. Let us say the time taken from A to B was t1 and time taken from B to C was t2. According to the question, t1 is 10 seconds and t2 is 20 seconds. Also, it's given that the displacement during the first time interval is s1 and the displacement during the second time interval is s2. Now, if we analyze the path, we can say that for the time interval, for the time interval of 10 seconds, we can say that S is equal to S1 is equal to ut plus half at square, or rather ut1 plus half at1 square. But we know that the velocity at A is equal to 0 because the body is beginning from rest. So this term will get eliminated. So what do we get? S1 is equal to half into A into what is T1? T1 is 10 square. 10 square is 100, 100 by 2 is 50. So this is 50A. Now, for the next interval, say for example, we have for the time interval of not 20 seconds, we're going to take the whole time interval, which is 10 plus 20, 30 seconds. We can say that not S2 again is S1 plus S2, which means we are basically covering the whole journey from A to C, is equal to, again ut would, that term will become 0. What we have is plus half A into T1 plus T2, that is 10 plus 20 the whole square, which is equal to 10 plus 20 is 30, 30 square is 900, 900 by 2 is 450A. So we can say that S1 plus S2 is equal to 450A. But what is the value of S1? The value of S1 is 50A, in which case this becomes 50A plus S2 is equal to 450A, which means S2 is equal to 450 minus 50 is 400A. In terms of S1, I can write S2 as S2 is equal to 8 into 50A, right? Now, 50A is basically S1, so this becomes S2 is equal to 8 into S1. So the relation that we get is S2 is equal to 8 S1, which marks the correct option as option C.